So you got a Glock and you're trying to figure out how to disassemble it. Here how you do it. I'm pretty sure it works on all Glock, any gen and any model. So basically, make sure it's empty. So just see these two nuts. You gotta pull it down both sides. So you cock it just a little bit, this slide. That's it. And then you pull it down both sides. And you pull it back and you pull the trigger. See? That's it. Take up the barrel, spring out. One way. Spring goes only one way. Can't go the other way. It goes this way. This is Gen 5. Put it back. Let's try it again. Just cock it back. Just a little. Bring the two sides down. Pull the trigger. Out. Spring out. Barrel. Spring in. Slide back. Now you know.